So this was a cool swap meet find. The guy next to me had this. I did not buy it. Let me preface. I did not buy these, but this was a 69 Camaro, 1 year only option. This was the liquid tire chain option. These are the mounting and the can. Obviously the can's toast, but still cool. I've never seen these in person. I've only seen ads of these. It was a very rare option just for morning, y'all. It's a little before 7 and it is car show and swap meet day. And for those of y'all that don't know, it is 51st annual East Alabama Old Car Club car show and swap meet. I'm putting on the swap meet side, but also helping some with the car show side, with getting some judges and some other people to help. So it is, there's a chance of rain at like 11 and 12, and my phone's been going off since about 5:30. It's a 30% chance of rain. I can't control the weather, so it's on. We're having it. So I got a trailer full of stuff behind me, and we'll try to sell some stuff as well as you know, deal with the swap meet, and then also helping with some other stuff. So we're gonna see what we can do, but we're fixing to get this set up here in just a sec. Hopefully a little bit of setup before everybody starts getting in. Once everybody starts getting in, I'll kind of have to stop setup and get helping. So we will see y'all shortly. As y'all can hear in the background, it's currently raining. Wasn't raining originally, but now it is. Let me show y'all. We've got plenty of swap meet people set up, and then newer cars. We got some vendors, and then older cars out here. I'll show y'all a better look when it stops raining. All right, it is still raining slightly. A lot of people swap meet stuff packed up. Not everybody, but we got more cars actually came in with the rain. So like I said, when I get a sec, I'm gonna walk out there and show y'all the cars over there. All right, so this was a cool swap meet find. The guy next to me had this. I did not buy it. Let me preface. I did not buy these, but this was a 69 Camaro, 1 year only option. This was the liquid tire chain option. These are the mounting and the can. Obviously the can's toast, but still cool. I've never seen these in person. I've only seen ads of these. It was a very rare option just for the fact that obviously in the South, most people don't have tire chains or deal with snow as much. So it wasn't really very widely bought. So this option became super rare because of that. And then I'm not sure that it was just really pushed. It was a 1 year only option, like I said, and I'm not sure how well it worked, but this is the only time I've ever seen it up close and personal. And taking it apart and putting the cans in, it's kind of interesting how it works, but I'm sure it failed more often than not. But super cool find, and appreciate him letting me look at these and film it so I can show y'all really as well. All right, so it is still rain. It's still pretty wet. Some people hung in, some didn't. Swap meet, there's only a few of us left. I'm walking this way because I'm gonna show y'all some cars. This vendor stayed up. Appreciate everybody that stayed. I understand the ones that didn't. Gorgeous C10 down in the weeds right there. I'm stepping in mud holes. Most all the cars stayed, so let me find a way to navigate around this water hole. 57's leaving out right there, but like I said, a bunch of people stayed. I'll show y'all some cars. Normally it's a bigger turnout. Obviously the rain's going to hinder that a little bit. All right. Gorgeous Bel Air right there. Show y'all a little bit of what showed up.